Okay, it's present indefinite tense, negative tense. If you want to negative sentence for present indefinite, then here is all rules. Okay, uh, if you, I mean, when you make present indefinite negative tense, it's do not and does not use. Okay, I, we, they, you, we use do not, and third person singular we use does not, and third person plural we use do not. Okay, just remember that rule. Okay, here is some example for you. Let's see. Harry does not love me. I do not like tea. It does not work. He does not walk fast. You do not go. Do not or don't, same. Okay, they do not swim. I do not work at night. Ram and Rahim do not play. He does not go to school. Everyone, here is your practice set. Okay, I dash go. Do not or does not. I do not. He dash eat fruits. Do not or does not. He does not. I dash know the story. Do not or does not. I do not. We dash drink milk. Do not or does not. We do not drink milk. Okay. She dash help me. Do not or does not. She does not help me. Rahim dash read book. Do not or does not. Rahim does not. Okay, so remember that when you make sentence for present indefinite, then you only use do not or does not. It's very easy. I hope you will understand, and thank you for watching.